Hi, scholars. Okay, so we are now looking at page 17, rhythm chart number 4. And we're still only dealing with G, A, B, C, and D. So we're going to look at those for rhythm chart. Now, a couple weeks ago, I told you that at some point in the book, it's going to teach us about dotted half notes, which are 3 beats. So this is the time when it does it. You can see right here, dotted half note. So it's 3 beats. And then they're also going over this 3/4 time signature. And 3/4 just means that there are 3 beats in a measure, or 3 counts in a measure. Okay? So this is the time to talk about threes in music. And yes, if you struggle with this, that is a common problem. Threes in music are just kind of weird in general, but that's what makes it difficult and fun. So if we're looking at rhythm chart, now instead of me saying 1, 2, ready, go, or 1, 2, 3, 4, go, I will now be saying 1, 2, 3, or I might say 1, ready, go, because if you listen to that, it's 1, ready, go. It's three counts still. So either way, whatever I say has to be 3 counts before you guys start, so you get a good rhythm of how fast I want you to go. Okay, why don't we clap number 1. Now, the way this is going to work is on the quarter notes, we're still saying 1, 1, 1. But now on the dotted half note, we're going to say 1, 2, 3. Okay, remember, we keep our hands together because we're supposed to be holding this note for 3 counts. So when we keep our hand together, that symbolizes us holding the note together, or playing the note consistently without stopping for 3 counts. Okay, so let's speak through number 1. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Not bad. The only thing I think I need to work on is I might have counted you in with 4 beats instead of 3. So, need to be aware of that. Number 2. Now we have a half note. So 1, 2, then a quarter note, 1, and then a dotted half note. 1, 2, 3. Okay? I'm going to move this camera just a little bit so it doesn't look like I'm looking away from you guys so much. Okay. So here's number 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay, why don't we, before we just clap through all this, why don't we look at number 1, and I would like us to play that one on G. Okay, so let's clap through number 1 again. Ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Let's play it on G. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. If you tend to get that chirpy, it happens when you're tonguing sometimes. All that's happening is your tongue, because it is stopping the air and interrupting it going into the instrument. If you don't hit it a certain way, it redirects your air up too fast or down too fast. So it just means that it's blowing almost like you're blowing too hard on the instrument, because once you release your tongue, the air kind of goes shooting through. So if it does that, be aware of where you're tonguing with your tongue. You might just need to be like a little softer, or for me, I find that I need to be more consistent with where I put my tongue. Sometimes if I start flittering around, I get the little kind of bloop bloop high-pitched sounds. So you want to flick it here, or even like I mentioned a couple weeks ago, you could just lift the tongue up in the mouth instead of flicking it forward, because when you lift it up, it still stops the air from coming through this space. So totally up to you on how you feel. Okay, number 2, let's clap it and say the numbers. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's try playing that on A. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay. Let's try number 3, clapping and saying. Now, number 3, we have rests. So you could do it 2 ways. You could either go 1, 2, 3, or you could go 1, 3. I'm thinking of how I'm counting this. You know what? Let's do it this way. To make life easy, on the quarter notes, we're just going to say 1 no matter what. So this will look like this. 1, 1, 1, That way we don't get confused. Okay? So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, Okay, let's try playing it on, what letter do you think? We already did G, we already did A. What's next? B. B's next. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, number 3. I choose not to shush once I get to a certain point with this instrument because, as you know, it gets chirpy real easily if your tongue and your mouth is not in the proper position. And if I have to take the instrument out to shush, then chances are me putting it back in quickly is going to make it not in the proper position. So you're better off leaving the instrument in your mouth and just being quiet. That's what you'd have to do anyway. Okay, number 4. Now, number 4, we have eighth notes, which means that they are twice as fast as a regular 1-beat quarter note. So number 4 should sound like this. 1 and 2. No, sorry. I messed it up. 1 and 1, 1. Okay? So, and I will make sure I write those counts in for you. I already took a picture of this, but just to kind of help you out, I'll take a second picture where you can see the counts written in. Okay? All right, so number 4, let's give it a try. Ready, go. 1 and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 and 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Let's try playing it. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so that's number 4. I'm not going to play rhythm chart on piano for accompaniment for you guys because there really isn't anything to play on piano. So we're not going to do that. Oh, you know what? I just realized number 4. I decided you play it on B and I never even said play it on B. Hopefully you figured that out. I was going to move on to C and D, but I just went straight to B. So that's what we did it on. Okay, number 1 on page 17, down and up we go, as you can imagine, because the title is down and up. What do you think the music's going to be? I'm not even going to tell you. I think you can figure it out. Yeah, it's probably going to match the title of the song. So, this is a 2. It's a repeat. Why don't we just finger it? Remember, this is in 3/4, so I'm going to say 1, 2, begin. So then that way we can still get the 1, 2, begin, the 3 counts, okay? Starting on C. 1, 2, begin. C, 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 B, 2, 3. A, G, 2, 3. A, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, G, A, B, C, 2, 3. Remember on the C, we leave our thumb there. Okay, second time, let's play it this time. 1, 2, oh, sorry, almost forgot. This has to be in 3/4. I'm going to say 1, 2, begin. There we go. 1, 2, begin. Yes, I played it 2 times. I know. Sometimes I play it once, sometimes I play it twice. You just have to follow what I'm going to do. Okay. Number 2 is Austrian folk song. Because it's an Austrian folk song, we can guess that this is a traditional song. And it's also played twice. So let's finger through before playing. So fingering, 1, 2, begin. B, G, G. B, G, G. A, G, A, B, 2, 3. B, G, G, B, G, G, A, B, A, G, 2, 3. Okay, let's play it twice. 1, 2, go. Okay, you might have noticed I was kind of moving along with the music. I just want to show you that when you play, if you're in a group and everybody's playing together and you don't have a conductor, usually there is one person that leads the group. And since they can't be standing up there like a conductor because they're playing their part, a lot of times the way that they will conduct is either by the head nod, but as you could tell on these instruments, when you do a head nod, you can hear a boop kind of sound. So another option is moving to the side. That tends to not really make much of a sound at all. So that's another thing that you could do. Okay, last piece on page 17 is French folk tune, which is also a traditional piece. Let's go ahead and just finger through. The tempo is andante, which is walking tempo, and it's also in 3/4. Now, you might notice here that this song does not have a full measure of 3 beats. Instead, we have 1.5 counts here because these are eighth notes. So this is together, this is 1 beat, which does not make 3 counts. So we're actually short 2 beats. And in music, because music could be kind of goofy sometimes, they put those extra 2 beats to make 3 down here, all the way at the end of the song. Okay, so this is where the last 2 beats are that are supposed to be over here at, let me find my finger. There it is. At the beginning of the song. Okay, so these are called pickup notes, and like I said, the second half of the counts will be here at the end of the song waiting. Okay, so when I'm playing a song with pickup notes, I usually count 1 full measure of however many beats are in the measure. So in our case it's 3, so I'd say 1, 2, 3, and then I would count the pickup measure on the 2 beats that are missing. So in this case, we're missing 2 counts. We only have 1 full count. So I would count you in by saying 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then you come in on beat 3. Okay? So it looks like this. Let's just finger. Actually, you know what? How about I'll play the piece. Just listen and see how I do the counting and how you're supposed to come in with the pickup. So just listen. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you'll notice at the end when you do the repeat with those pickup notes. You don't want to leave those out. The only time you would leave the pickup note out is if on the repeat sign, if they put another repeat sign right here. Oops, sorry, right here. Then you would leave the pickup note out. But because they didn't do that, we know that we come back to the beginning and just repeat the whole thing from the top of the music. Okay, so let's go ahead and just finger through. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. G, A, B, 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 G. G, A, B, 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 A, 2. A, C, 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 B, 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 A, G, 2. Okay, let's go ahead and try playing that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so that's everything on page 17. And as normal, if you could please post a video of yourself playing, I would love to hear your progress on page 17. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask them on the comments section on Google Classrooms. Okay, till next time, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you check out the second video so you could play along with the piano accompaniment. Okay, bye!